I'm Laurence Newman. I'm the CEO of CurrentBody, global leaders in home use beauty devices. CurrentBody actually started about 12 years ago, and back then there really wasn't home use beauty devices available to buy. My experience was in professional devices, in clinics, salons, spas, hospitals, and I was selling the professional units into those areas. What I realised was there was a market for people to use these types of devices at home, and over the years these types of technologies have become miniaturised, they've become more advanced, become safe, effective, and in the last 3 or 4 years it's become a significant boom in the beauty industry. We've now got the widest range of third-party brands anywhere else in the world, with probably 400 to 500 different brands on our sites. What's been really exciting is that we've developed an LED anti-aging mask, which we've taken into China, developed in the UK, and it's doing incredibly well out there. It was the first of its type. Our mask uses clinically proven infrared and near infrared to help boost collagen in the skin to give a much more youthful appearance, and we see results after just 20 minutes. Some of the data out there actually puts China around about 60–70% of the entire beauty device market, and that's been something that's existed for many years before we started to see expansion into Europe. One of the things that Tmall did was notice how well our own brand was doing out there and supported us to develop our own products in the China market. That's allowed us to really focus on what works. So selecting products for Tmall was very easy in some respect, but difficult in other, and that we had to find products that hadn't already been seen in the Chinese market. One of the most beneficial parts of our relationship was actually going over to Alibaba's offices and understanding much closer their understanding of the market and how they drive traffic to their store and how they drive very specific traffic of consumers who want to buy these types of products. And that rich data that they have that we can tap into allowed us to select the right products and, most importantly, the right customer to find our store. We found that Alibaba were able to help us navigate some of the issues of finding the right partners out there, and then understanding that the distribution in China is very, very different to anywhere else in the world. When we talk about the slightly younger demographic, we often refer to them as skintellectuals because they spend so much time researching these types of products. In China, they want to know far more, and they want to talk much more about their experiences with these products and ask other people about what they think about it, whether it's the right product for their skin. We've started to develop the range from special eye masks that just work on the wrinkles around the eyes, and to even more advanced clinical treatments that actually you would have in a clinic that you sit underneath. This is called the Dermalux Treatment, and that's our next product that we're going to be launching in China. So the new product is a more advanced version, if you like, of the mask, and is exactly the same treatment that you would have if you went into a clinic. Our latest product is actually made in the northwest of England. For a clinical grade product like this, that's incredibly rare, but that will be fantastic for the Chinese audience because that made in Britain stamp of approval is always a fantastic thing. I'm from Manchester, and I'm very proud that CurrentBody is a Manchester-based business and has maintained our presence here whilst expanding our logistics with warehousing around the world. It's very hard to envisage what we've become when I look at what this business was in a very small office 12 years ago, and to have true global recognition has been a fantastic journey to have been on.